Xiamen Yeco Corporation Limited, founded in 2013. Loved in beautiful Xiamen. Our company mainly sells reflective material and hot melt adhesive film. The brand name of reflective material is Yeco. The hot melt adhesive film is TUSBOND. Yeco specializes in the R&D, manufacturing of the reflective material and hot melt adhesive film. Yeco insists to meet customer needs with the excellent quality, value and service. Yeco have grown into a trusted supplier for many well-known brands both at home and abroad. Products sold worldwide. Yeco is customer-centric. Yeco will send professional staff to hold seminars for you, answer professional questions about reflective material and melt adhesive film. Yeco provide high-quality after-sales service, handle quality objection issues in the first place. Yeco's slogan is, Ask Yeco for reflective material. Trustable bonding.
We are Yeco.